Yeah, this is 108 kVA off-grid solar inverter. I'm trying to set it up. 108 kVA solar inverter. It does not use battery. It uses solar panel to work. Then here we have 30 kVA. We have 30 kVA off-grid solar inverter. This one is already working. I've already configured this one. It's already working without battery. This is 30 kVA working without battery. Then this one is 108 kVA. I'm still setting this one up. So here is the load that are connected to it. If you're inside this house here, we have a standing unit AC connected to the 30 kVA. Then here we have another split unit connected to it. Then inside here we have another one connected to it. Then inside this room we have another one connected to it. Then here we have another one connected to it. And all of them are working perfectly without battery. So the system works once there is daylight. Then in the evening time, around 6:30, it goes off. Then by 7, it peaks. And it will start working, carrying everything in the office, in the hospital, in the manufacturing company, and so on.